Hello, everyone. I'm Eddie Cannell.
And I'm Tom Cannell.
We're the Mortgage Brothers, and Tom and I, we created a team called the Mortgage Brothers team. We are partners at Signature Home Loans right in Phoenix, Arizona. And if you're watching this video, it's probably because you're looking at a job post for a loan officer position. And Tom and I wanted to talk to you directly, give you a little bit of information about ourselves, what our mortgage broker company is, what you can expect.
And this is, if you're listening to this video right now or watching this video, this is a really important time for you because you could be coming off of a position that was recently closed. Because in this post, we are requiring experience, someone that can come in, hit the ground running. You don't need to be going 100 miles an hour, but, have a small book of business or a big book of business, but you're coming from a place. And I know looking, actually from experience, going to the next place where you're going to be, it's no fun to move. It's no fun to change. So this next move is going to be really important for you to find a good fit. And we thought we'd do this video not only to describe what we need, but also give you a taste as to what our team is like.
Yeah.
Because in these videos that we do, we have podcasts that give different information and direction on. This video also, I think, is going to help kind of tell you what we're like, because we're not like the typical brokerage firm. At least I don't think we do. Sometimes they say you don't know what you don't know.
Yeah.
We haven't been anywhere else.
Yeah, we want to be as real as possible in this video, just so you can see who we are. I mean, really, and just a little background. Tom and I, we're natives of Phoenix. Our father's a native. We go back to Phoenix. Our family goes back to 1922.
Yeah, grandparents are almost a native, moved here when they were 2.
Yeah, our great-grandfather was a farmer, 40th Street in Camelback, came from Nebraska, got into real estate, did some home building for 40 years, and, in the early 90s, sold. But the point, a lot of our families in real estate, Tom and I were, of course, mortgage brokers. But we are family. Like, our family is really important to us. Our personal families. We have children, a lot of kids, and the network in the Phoenix Valley is quite large.
Yeah, we exciting individuals, which I think we're kind of exciting. Yeah. But we joke. We're not on the ski slopes, and we're not going on this trip. We're not going to Rubio and all this and that. And sometimes in the lending world, it can get very high flying. And so it's important to us that whomever, does find this to be a good fit, that they know what they're getting into. And that's, working with real people in a real office. We didn't really talk about remote working, but there are possibilities for the remote working, but it's like working for a family.
Yeah. So again, we're 100% mortgage broker. We've never been a banker. Signature Home Loans is the parent company, the Mortgage Brothers team, which we operate. Tom and I, we're owners of Signature Home Loans with a couple other partners.
Yeah, half owners.
Yes. But we're 100% broker. We totally believe in this business model. So if you're coming from a banker background, you're at Fairway, you're at Guaranteed Rate, Academy, something like that, this will be very different. But you've probably if you're watching this video, you might be interested in being a broker.
Yeah, no,
working for a broker.
No, we weren't planning on talking about this, but you looked at a non-broker.
Yeah.
Actually left this company for a little while and then came back pretty quickly thereafter. So even though when I said we don't know, you do have experience outside the company. So really quick, I've been a lender, I've been a loan officer here in Phoenix for 20 years. And in 2009, I went to go work for Nova Home Loans for a little bit. Actually, I thought it was going to be this great move that I would make from the broker world into the banker world. Grass is always greener on the other side. Yeah, and it was, the Nova Home Loans folks, they, I'm not going to even really go into them there. There's a lot of fine people over there, but the broker world is so much different. I couldn't believe how different it was and how much more flexibility I had as a broker. I only lasted 2 months at Nova. I came right back to the company, which was O'Dowd Mortgage. Pete O'Dowd, he's a legend here in Phoenix. Yep. Yeah, Pete. Pete O'Dowd. I almost said his brother. Yeah. So Pete, anyway, the point was that I did try to go, I thought the banking was going to be something I wanted to do. No, I wasn't. I'm so happy to be a broker. I totally believe in this business model. And we're looking for anybody, if you're someone who's looking for flexibility, you're a really self-motivated person, you've been running your own business anyway, you want a low-key family, you want to have a kind of a family environment where we're small. I mean, really, there's 15 employees at our company, and where processing is super, it's a ground up. We built this processing from ground up.
It's wonderful. Tom and I, we want to focus on originating loans. Now, everybody's going to say that. Every bank's going to say, yeah, we want our loan officers to focus on sales and not work on documentation. We want to make it as easy as possible for you to build your book of business. And we've customized our processing to make that work.
Yeah. And again, because you're a professional in this business and you're a smart person, you're going to have ways that you already have become accustomed to in order to generate sales. So, we're not here looking over your shoulder every minute or every hour or even every day. We're here if you need advice. We're here to give guidance. It's amazing. You know it. How many overlays there are and how many different, scenarios there are to run through. So we're here that you can bounce ideas off of, but you're a professional. You're out there doing your business, but this would be your anchor. This would be your home. This is where you would conduct business.
That's right.
Now, some of the qualifications and characteristics of this person would be something, again, this is nothing, rocket science. It would be an organized individual, be someone who has demonstrated the ability to, pay attention to detail, be able to start a file and be able to complete that file. We have the processing. They will handle, all of the processing, but to be able to, I think, take, initiative. What else?
I was going to say, we were looking, you have to be ambitious, but not ambitious to the point where if you're the guy in the room where you just have to have it your way and you basically, you're a tough guy. And you
or gal,
our gal,
there are some really tough gals out there.
And we want someone who's going to be easy to work with for our team. There are incredible loan officers and incredible producers, but they wouldn't be a good fit because they're just the massive alpha male in the room, and they just basically take
up all the oxygen.
All the oxygen. We're looking for someone who's looking for a comfortable environment with the support from us. We will provide the wholesale bank relationships we have. Again, if you're a broker, you already know what the wholesale world is like, but it's incredible. We have all of these different banks, these sales reps that work for the wholesale banks that are eager for our business.
Yeah, you basically have, underwriters, at your fingertips. They're known as account executives, really. But what these account executives do, they just deal with these scenarios all day long. So you're having them at your fingertips. Our pricing is going to be, I think, exceptional.
Yeah, we're 0.5% better than most bankers. Yeah. Every day.
So on top of your already, good, business acumen and skill, you're going to have awesome pricing. Now, if you have awesome pricing already, then great. You'll just be stepping into the same shoes. But if you don't, I think you'll be surprised at how much better that's going to make you as a loan officer.
And I just trying to think of anything to really say is that, if you have questions, if you're the candidate, you're thinking, yeah, these guys seem like they have what I want, just be sure to reach out to us. You can email us at team@azmortgagebrothers.com. Our phone number 602-535-2171. Every loan officer is different. You're different from anyone else. And we're not looking to make a mass. We're not looking to hire a bunch of people. We're looking for the right people. And I think that we're an awesome company, small family-owned company for a select few. And we want to make a really long-term career.
Yeah.
Long-term.
And speaking of long-term, we know we're going to be here long-term. We hope that you'd want to be here long-term. That would be something important. And as you had mentioned some of our background, we only mention that because it really is a telling of what the future is, which is
we're not going anywhere.
We're not going anywhere. And I think that would be important for you. We are not a fly-by-night company. We hope to be here 30, 40, years, and then maybe some of the family comes in and keeps running it. Yeah. So we are definitely here for the long haul.
So if you're looking for a mortgage broker to work with, an awesome opportunity to make a lifelong, career out of it, move, then be sure to contact us. We'll be happy to talk with you and to discuss what the opportunity looks like for you.
All right. Thank you, folks.
Take care, everybody.
Thank you for watching the Mortgage Brothers podcast. If you have any questions, email us at team@azmortgagebrothers.com. And if you like this content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the Mortgage Brothers team.